Guess what? It's Friday. You know what that means?
Well, there's a lot of things. It's Friday. It's great.
Right.
It's time to eat, maybe.
Yes.
Sample some good
The
stuff.
dessert diva's in the house.
Absolutely.
Danette Daniels.
Daniels.
I'm sorry, Randall. I'm sorry.
In the name
I'm so sorry,
of
Danette.
Trail Mix Bars
I have
is
thrown her
going
off
on
this week because
here.
everything is out of whack. But we're
I
getting
am
back on
totally
track.
out of whack.
Danette Daniels.
We only do this every week.
That's my other name.
That's your
my,
stage name. I just
that's
assigned
my
you.
Danette Daniels. Sounds intriguing.
No,
but
I got
okay.
that. That's a whole different star.
You got a whole layout here, though. This
All
is
right.
amazing.
Trail Mix Bars. Healthy back-to-school treats, and they're so simple. I think the kids will like them. My niece and nephew, Jack and Alba, are in town, and I wanted to make something where they could just grab and go, and it was healthy and didn't have a lot of added sugar and
All right,
protein
let's do
packed.
it. Show me
That's
how
what
to
this
do
is.
it.
Okay. 9x9 pan, foil, press the foil down. You don't necessarily need foil or parchment paper, but it helps to lift them out and to cut them
That's
because
smart.
you need to, it makes it easier to cut.
That's a hack
so,
right there.
That's a hack.
Yeah,
That's a dessert
I would have never thought of
hack.
that.
So, all right, so you can see the ingredients here. It's very simple, and once you get everything laid out, it's going to be very easy. You're not going to have to worry about. Okay, cashews,
Yum.
whole cashews, almonds. I have a
Are
few
those
peanuts
raw?
in there. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then we're going to just kind of grind those up.
All right.
And then. That's good TV right there.
That
That's
is.
good TV.
Like the
All right,
sound
so
effects.
then dried cranberries. You can use something else. I do the unsweetened dried cranberries, but if you like blueberries or cherries, you can do that. I give that a quick whirl because I like it to beat up just a little bit, pull apart the cranberries. All right, so we're gonna dump that into the bowl. All right.
So
now we
easy
have that
so far.
set aside. So now we have dry roasted sunflower seeds. Now I do the salted ones because I think the salt in this, it's nice, just a little bit. You could do the raw ones. You could make this as healthier. You know what I mean? I have it healthy. You could make it healthier.
Really?
Okay.
So yeah. So we're doing semi-sweet chocolate chips. You could do dark chocolate, but I think when you're doing it for kids, sometimes they don't want the dark chocolate. So you can do semi-sweet, or you can do little mini chocolate chips. Now I've got a cup and a half of oatmeal. This is quick cook. You could do old fashioned, you could do steel cut. If you're doing steel cut, make sure you put it in the food processor. You want to break it up a little bit, or because you're not baking it, so it'll be too
Right.
chewy.
Okay.
So, but don't use instant.
I've screwed those up before, too.
Yeah, I
even
mean,
the
really?
instant ones. I don't know how you can
instant-
screw those up,
it's just
but
like-
I did.
Is it just add water?
If you're doing, yeah, that's pretty much. If you do like instant, it's too fine. It's not going to have
Okay.
the texture. It's not going to be chewy. And so you can see, you just stir that all up, and that's it. And that's your trail mix base. Now what we have here is a cup of peanut butter. I used crunchy. You can use creamy, obviously. You can also use natural. If you're going to use natural peanut butter, if you really want to make it with the less sugar. It's going to be a little bit oily, so use less honey.
Okay.
So you're going to put that in. So we're going to do just a cup of the peanut butter.
And Ginger
Now
just said
what
about
the-
30 seconds.
Okay, hi Ginger. And
That's our producer, by the way.
So we're going
Her
to
last name is Daniels, too.
Stop!
Everybody,
Oh my God.
everybody in
just kidding.
Tampa. Yeah.
We're going to put Gail
All a
Daniels.
big
I like
happy
it. It's a
family
thing.
here.
All right, so the peanut butter is going to be the bind and the honey. So you can do maple syrup, honey. You could do agave nectar. I think doing a mixture of maple syrup and honey is probably the best. But that's it. So you can see, I mean, we don't
That's
have a lot of
pretty
time
easy.
to press it down. That's it. You're
Do
just
you
going to
cook it?
press this down. No, this isn't cooked.
No?
No,
Not
that
cooked?
the
I just took a bite,
so
man.
you're
It's
going to
amazing.
press it down. You're going to press it really tight. Put it in the refrigerator
Yum.
for about an hour. If you don't want to put it in the fridge, you can leave it out, and it'll take a few hours to set up, and that's it.
And
Cut it.
that'll help you out through the day, too. That'll keep
Oh yeah, this
carry you
is
for a while.
protein packed.
All
This
right.
is
So-
amazing.
Well, thanks so
Danette, thank
much.
you so much.
You're
Happy
welcome.
Friday.
Thanks, Danette.
All right, let's check in with Lee Spann to
Daniels.
start your weekend weather. Hey,
Lee Spann Daniels to you, that is.